Hello friendlies, and welcome to part 16 of my Demon Hunter series. I don't think I've had a chance yet to show how I usually attach armor strappings, so I thought I would do that with my bracers. Firstly, I think having bare warbler against my skin is super uncomfortable. It just gets sweaty and sticky, so I like to line my armor with fabric. It goes on pretty easy with hot glue, and if you plan a little better than I did, you can usually get it on all in one piece. Moving on to strapping, I usually buy flat nylon cord to do my straps with. I use velcro eventually, so I want to make sure I have enough length that it can double over. I prefer to hand sew my straps onto the D-ring, and it is usually pretty durable for me. Because these openings are quite small, I don't need much Velcro this time. I just cut out a couple of small pieces and glue them in place. Depending on the fabric used, sometimes I will sew the Velcro instead of glue it for extra strength. For the most part, it is easy to get myself in and out of the bracers using this method. I'm so excited to have this part of my cosplay done, so next video we should be able to move on to a different piece of the armor set. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!